Stephen here, and this is the first video in a course called The Essence of Coding. I wanted to do a course about what I call the essence of coding, which is all of the skills and concepts and ideas you need to know in order to be successful at programming in any language. Which means you could be here for a lot of reasons. Maybe you're watching this video series because you're in an intro to programming course in Java. Or maybe you're trying to learn Python. Or maybe it's not even about the language. Maybe you're a graphic designer and you want to learn some front-end web development, which is mostly JavaScript, but there are other things too. Or maybe, and I think this is most likely, you found this YouTube video on our YouTube channel for Minecraft modding and you want to learn how to do Minecraft modding. My point is that it doesn't matter, because the essence of coding applies to all of these. It applies to any language. Anything you want to do that's even remotely coding related, you have to learn the essence. The essence is the skills, ideas, and concepts that make coding what it is. It's the core of any programming language. By the time you're done with this course, there will be two things, two outcomes, two ways that your life will be different. One is that any introductory programming course you take in the future, or maybe you're taking one right now, that course will be easy for you. This Essence of Coding series will teach you enough that every introductory course you ever take in the future will be easy. And secondly, you'll be ready to grow as a computer scientist. And this is more important than this first one, I think. Any advanced concept you encounter in the future, you'll be ready to learn that. I'm not saying that it will be easy, but you'll have a great, great foundation, a really, really solid foundation after learning the essence of coding. So you'll be ready to grow. And what I mean is that after you've learned the essence, which is this body of knowledge and ideas, skills, and concepts, anytime you encounter a more difficult advanced concept in the future, it will be very easy to take that and plug it into what you already know, what you already understand. You'll have a framework for being able to encounter and learn new difficult things very easily. This course has two parts. The first part is vocabulary building, and the second part is skill building. And then we'll have a short epilogue where I show you a few advanced concepts and show you how easy they are to learn. And it's very important that you do this course with these phases in mind, primarily vocabulary building first and skill building second. And then, of course, the epilogue last. So 3 parts. It's very important that you do them as phases in order. During each part, you'll have a very specific goal. During the vocabulary building phase, your job will be to populate a flashcard deck. And that deck will be full of ideas and concepts that we're going to give names to. You'll need to use software for this flashcard deck because there will be images, and I want you to be able to very quickly put flashcards that have pictures on one or both sides into that deck. I'll show you that in the next video. And then after you've learned all these concepts and ideas, I'll write this here, ideas, concepts, we'll then take those ideas and concepts and we'll make them into second nature, into intuition with drills and practice. And that's where you're going to build up your skills, and mainly you're going to turn what was once ideas with names into intuition.